If you're looking for a versatile and sustainable way to hit the road, you're looking at it now. This is the Sunbox Fiat e-Scudo, a fully electric campervan designed for those who want to travel without compromise. At Sunbox Campers, we're specialists in electric conversions, but we're also experienced artisan carpenters. We don't just fit vans, we build them with real wood by hand. This isn't a factory line process, it's a collaboration. We work directly with you, our client, to ensure the final build fits your lifestyle perfectly. The e-Scudo is built on a proven 75 kilowatt-hour battery platform, giving you a real-world range of around 170 to 180 miles. It's smooth, it's quiet, and it makes the journey as enjoyable as the destination. But the real Sunbox transformation is inside, and the first thing you'll notice is the finish. We've insulated and carpet lined the entire space in anthracite grey, paired with a beautiful oak vinyl flooring. It's clean, modern and incredibly durable. This layout is all about versatility. We've fitted a rock and roll bed that sleeps two, but critically it features two 3-point seat belts. That means you have 5 belted seats in total, making this a genuine daily driver that transforms into a holiday home in seconds. Don't forget, with a Sunbox camper van, it's actually you who gets to make the big decisions on interior styling. You aren't stuck with what you see in this video. You're the one that chooses the type of wood, the specific upholstery, the flooring and much more. Whether you want a vibrant, colourful space or something more muted and minimalist, you have the final say on the textures and tones that turn this from a van into your van. All furniture is hand built in our workshop using lacquered or painted birch ply. We've topped this camper with a solid oak work surface, which includes a matching removable table. For the kitchen, we've integrated a high efficiency fridge and a double gas burner with a built-in sink. To keep it cozy at night, there are blackout curtains covering every window and high quality upholstery that gives that professional finish. When you're parked up, the space really opens up. We've installed an electric roof with a scenic canvas. We offer many types of pop-top canvases, including an unzippable canvas which you can open up for fresh air. There's also a roof bed up here with an extra 2 berths, making this a 4-berth campervan overall. Because we're EV specialists, the electric system is designed to be seamless. We've installed a full leisure battery and a B2B system, supported by a rooftop solar panel to keep you powered up while off-grid. We've got a 240 volt hookup, a 3-pin plug socket and plenty of USB and USB-C ports for all your tech. We've also added flexible and spot lighting so you can set the mood, and for those colder nights, the Propex gas airflow heating system keeps you toasty without touching your main drive battery. Choosing a Sunbox camper means choosing a van that's been expertly designed and hand-built specifically for you. From choosing the materials to the final layout, we're here to make your transition to electric campervan as easy as possible. If you're ready to start your own electric adventure, get in touch. We'd love to have you down to our workshop in East Sussex to show you exactly how we can build your dream EV camper together. Let's make something wonderful.